So we are in the Uintas Wilderness right now. I drove here yesterday from Moab and stopped in Factory Butte. And Zach came all the way from Denver. Both of our little beautiful homes on wheels. So we're gonna head up to Amethyst Lake today. It's 13 miles round trip with about 2,400 feet of vert. And we might climb on the ridgeline because there's some lakes on the other side that look pretty cool. It's 12:30, so a little late start. We're feeling some drops, but we got our jackets and we're about to head out. So we're about 2 miles in and it started to rain a little bit. So we have the rain cover out and we're still on Stillwater Trail, but I think we're any minute now gonna fork left to the Amethyst Lake Trail. So here's the sign. If you're doing this hike, Amethyst Lake is this way. It's super subtle. We missed it, so we had to backtrack. But if you hit this stream, you went too far. All right, well, glad we realized it like as soon as we did. We're hiking alongside a stream right now. Kind of right when we took the turn to Amethyst Trail, it got real steep, but it's still relatively defined trail, so slow and steady. So we're at about 9,800 feet, probably halfway. I'm getting my ass kicked from the altitude and elevation gain. Zach's up there cruising. It's definitely tough, but I think we're past the worst part of it. Zach, what was our intention for that ridgeline?
We're gonna climb up there. Just look over. Wow.
So Amethyst Lake is right there, we think, and Priory Lake is on the other side of that, and it looks insane, but this ridgeline is massive. So.
That's all they're like white rice.
What? Yeah, no rice.
No rice.
Priory Lake and no rice lake. White rice. So if you want to get some underwater shots, you don't have a GoPro or anything like that, you can actually put the iPhone in. I have the iPhone 11, so I can't speak for other models, but you just put your phone upside down and start recording before and get some really cool colors in the water, and it looks really, really sick. Oh my God. Dude, that is so loud.
Oh, it's so loud.
Dude, that sounds like a freaking like train. Oh my God. That was some of the craziest drone stuff. This lake is like, as you guys see, super green, but so blue from above. And this peak just makes it look insane. Zach put up his FPV and it sounded like a train ran into the mountain. So he took it down pretty quick. Now he's got the Mavic Air 2 up. But very cool spot. We're not even at the main lake yet. So we're hiking back up from that little no-name lake to Amethyst Lake. I don't know if it's the altitude or elevation or whatever, but I'm dying right now. I think Zach is actually hitting him a little bit. But we're super close. Alright, so we just got done shooting here at Amethyst. Place is unbelievable. It looks so crazy. but we keep hearing thunder. We got like 6 or 7 miles back, so we're probably gonna send it pretty quick. Lots of elevation down, so it should be pretty quick and easy. Give you guys an update when we're back at the car. We made it down the elevation. We're hurting. I think we're like 11 miles deep. Good thing is 2.5 miles left with like no elevation. It's raining. It's been thundering, but it hasn't like poured.
Dude, you just jinxed it.
We're kind of like sitting in a decent amount of rain right now though. I definitely jinxed us in the last video of me talking. Now it's absolutely dumping. I think Zach jinxed us too.
Very cool.
But it's super muddy and the sky sounds like it's just yelling at us. It sucks. It is now hailing and we are stuck under this tree. What did we come back to, Zach?
A fat ticket.
Dude, there's a recreation fee to come here, but the signs are not clear. We read it as 3-day, 5-day, and 7-day passes, which is camping included and all that. There's a recreation fee, but for a day hike or whatever, it didn't seem like you needed to pay that fee. But we both came back to $80 tickets, which is super frustrating, and they're soaked.
They don't have our address or anything.
They have your VIN and your vehicle and all that stuff. I don't know. We're dead. That was a hard 14-mile hike and a lot of rain on the way back. If you guys enjoyed, catch you later.